How to go live on TikTok without showing your face. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's get started. First, you want to open the TikTok app on your device. Then tap on the plus icon at the bottom of your screen. From here, you want to swipe and get to the live section. Now, if you want to go live but you don't want to show your face on TikTok, then there is a very easy way that you can do. The trick is to use an effect that is going to completely conceal your face. So even though you go live, people won't be able to see your face. For that, you want to tap on the effects option. Then from the list of effects, you can simply choose an effect which is going to hide your face. As you can see, there are different other filters which is going to completely hide your face. So you can use any one of them before going live. And this is how you can go live on TikTok without showing your face. And that's it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.